Hi everyone, this is how you can create AI talking videos for free.
Hello everyone, welcome to How to Hub. Today's topic is to how to create an AI talking videos. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. So first of all, we have to go to Google. By going to Google, we have to search leonardo.ai. This website will help us to generate image or avatar. Sign in with any option given below. As soon as this website opens, you will see many options on your screen. Like you can create real-time canvas, motions, upscaler, and many more. But if we want to create an image, so we will click on image creation. After clicking, a screen will appear on your window where the website will demand from you what kind of picture you want, what size do you want, what kind of orientation should there be. Feature models and presets like anime, concept art, or graphic design, you can find it here. Now, do you see a search box above? Whatever picture we want, we need to describe the characteristics like I'm writing young man, muscular muscles, wearing denim jacket. Then click on generate. Within a few seconds, it will generate the image as you are seeing in the screen. So we have to download all these images, and whatever you like, you can use it in your next step. Second step is to visit an AI website which can convert text to speech, which is called 11labs.io. So we'll go this website, click on get started free. We'll start writing here inside the text box. After writing, you will see many options on the right side. Select to explore voice. The AI will provide you the popular male and female voice, which we can use in video later. After selecting the voice, click on generate speech and download. The third step is that we need to visit heygen.ai. This website will help you to create, translate, and personalize video in minutes. If you are already registered, you can simply log in, and if not, then you have to sign up to get registered. After signing in, you will see an option on the left hand side to create video. Click on it, then click on the photo avatar, then hit on create photo avatar to upload the photo what we downloaded from Leonardo. Select the photo and upload it. After clicking on continue, you will see a window says your avatar is ready. Then just fill some information like name, age, gender. Click continue. Now we have to click on script. You see at the left hand side, then click on the small icon to select the audio downloaded from 11 Labs. Submit the video now. Once it will be ready, play it. This is how you can make AI talking videos very easily. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.